Today is 10th of January. We arrived in Falmouth, Jamaica, and we meet this Norwegian Anchor cruise ship operated by Norwegian Cruise Lines. So colorful design, big ships, nice. There are like swimming slide on the top one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lifeboats, so must be more than 2,000 passengers inside. And we are having the other cruise line also, we call Princess Cruise Line. It's ready to dock with us. It's coming in. Princess Cruises. Look, Sky Princess. The name is Sky Princess. Beautiful ships. Princess operated by Princess Cruise Line. They're ready to dock this morning. So gonna be 3 of us in here, Falmouth, Jamaica. Look, they're moving very fast and ready to dock side by side. Beautiful color, so colorful. Look how small there's people down here. They're walking along this dock. And this almost ready. Princess Sky. Okay, we'll see you next later on. Yes, now the Sky Princess is set to dock. So the Norwegian was on the other side, so we can't see that one. Alright, beautiful, big ship. Nice design. How many deck for this balcony room? She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. 8 lifeboat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Around 9 balcony rooms. It has the big screen movie also on the top deck. Now it's become the cruise line standard. Like over there we can see the hotel. I forgot the name. That's the big hotel. So I heard this one is the biggest ship from Princess Cruise Line, which is Sky Princess name. It's carrying about 6,000 people, including the crew members. So about 3,600 passenger capacity, which is the biggest one from Princess Cruise Line. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that hotel. Now I remember that hotel is Atlantis Hotel, Bahamas, Nassau. This part is not Falmouth, Jamaica, but Bahamas, Nassau. Falmouth, Jamaica is gonna be tomorrow. So look, this big movie screen. So this one is the biggest princess ship. Beautiful. Now we're gonna have a check on the port side. How is outside look like? The port side is the city side of this Bahama port, Nassau. It's nice city. They have the Center Frog over there, which is the famous cafe, and some shop souvenir here. And look, the government look like to develop the sport very much. Like 5 or 10 years ago I was here, the port is very small. Now they develop the port quickly. Well, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next port. Thank you. Bye bye now.